5 Best Kids Sewing Machines 2017. Number 5. Brother LS2125i Easy to use. Full size, lightweight, portable sewing machine. Great for alterations and everyday sewing. 10 built-in stitches, including blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches. Automatic 4-step buttonhole feature allows. Includes bilingual instruction manual. 25-year limited warranty. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 4. SewCool Machine. SewCool the Threadless Sewing Studio. Simple to use. No thread, no foot pedal. No skills required, just turn on. Push the button and start creating one of 9 included projects. Create stuffed characters, purses, pouches, pencil case and more. Includes one SewCool sewing machine. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 3. Singer 1234. Heavy-duty metal frame ensures. Stainless steel bedplate provides smooth fabric feed for even sewing. Includes decals for personalization. One-step stitch changes. Optional dual spool stitching. Made in China. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 2. Hatrel LSS202 Mini. Sewing design have bottom line and surface line gives you stable and high-quality sewing for your all projects. Can stitch on any fabric from delicate silks to denims. Double speed, low or high speed. Suit for sewing beginner recommended for ages 13. 6 months guarantee. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 1. Janome 11706 Hello Kitty. 11 stitches and a 4-step buttonhole. Features a free arm. Portable, perfect for dorm rooms. Heavy-duty sewing capability. Bringing to sewing class. Accessory storage. Please check the description for detail and prices.